In this video, I'll show you how to upload unlisted videos to YouTube. It's quick and easy, so let's get started. First, head over to YouTube Studio. If you're not sure how to get there, just go to youtube.com, click on your profile icon in the top right corner, and select YouTube Studio. Once you're inside YouTube Studio, click on the Create button and choose Upload Videos. From here, select the video you want to upload. While the video is uploading and processing, you can fill in the usual details like the title, description, and thumbnail if you want, but for this demo, I'll skip that part. Now, go through the upload steps. Click Next on the video details. Click Next again on Video Elements. When you get to Visibility, this is the important part. Here, select Unlisted. This means that only people with the direct video link can view your video. It won't appear on your channel, and your subscribers won't get notified. Finally, click Save, and your video is ready. You can now share the link with anyone you want, while keeping it hidden from the general public. Unlisted videos are great if you want to share private content, online courses, training videos, or any content you only want specific people to access. And that's it. You've just learned how to upload an unlisted video on YouTube. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Thanks for watching. In the end,